to my presentation. My name is Ali Hussain Mohammad, MSc in Forestry and Technology, Khulna University, Bangladesh. My presentation topic is preparation and characterization of bioplastic from potato to stars. Introduction. Plastic are more useful materials because of their properties such as lightness, cheapness, and durability, but plastics are degraded very slowly and affect lands, waterways, and oceans. So plastic is very harmful for our environment. We should think about the alternative use of plastic that can degrade it in environment. Bioplastics are defined as plastics made from renewable resources such as potato, sugar, corn, etc. The bioplastics are biodegradable plastics which are derived from plant or microorganism instead of fossil fuels. In many countries, bioplastics are mostly used as cutlery, wrappers, packaging materials. Starch is potentially useful substance for bioplastic production because it is inexpensive and easily available, and it's also renewable resources. In this study, the overall purpose was to investigate the utilization of waste potato starch in order to the bioplastic production. So objectives in this study is to prepare bioplastic from waste potato starch and increase the strength of the bioplastic using jute stick particle. To analyze physical, mechanical, and biological properties of the produced bioplastics. Methodology. In materials, we use dry potato starch, glycerol, and vinegar. Then potato starch extraction. In this extraction process, at first collect uh, non-commercial potatoes are used. At first clean the potatoes, then blend it and wait for the deposition of starch, then dry that wet starch in the oven and get dry potato starch. Bioplastic manufacturing process. In this process, make proper mixture of starch, vinegar, glycerol, and water. Then heat that mixture and get dense solution, and made a thin sheet by given some pressure. Then dry that sheet in the oven at 60 degrees centigrade temperature and got final product. For increasing the property strength properties, use 2%, 4%, and 6% jute stick particle are used to compare with the weight of starch. Then result on this study, the tear strength test. In this figure we can see that the highest tear strength result was found 29.37 millimeter into meter square per gram for 6% jute stick particle mixed bioplastic, and the lowest result was found for control, that was 19.22 millimeter into meter square per gram. Then tensile strength test. In this figure you can see that the highest tensile strength result was found 56.32 megapascal for 6% jute stick particle mixed bioplastic, and the lowest result was found for control, that was 26.35 megapascal. Then water absorption test. In this figure we can see that the highest water absorption value was found 83.96% and 88.47% for 2 and 24 hours for 6% jute stick particle mixed bioplastic, and the lowest water absorption value was found 70.11% and 81.35% for 2 and 24 hours for control. That was approximately similar. Then biodegradability analysis test. This is the main test of in this study. We can see that 6% jute stick particle mixed bioplastic saw 100% degradation within 6th week, and 94.17% degradation showed within 8th week for 4% jute stick particle mixed bioplastic. Conclusion. Production of bioplastic was successfully completed for wastewater tree stars. In this study, it was found that 6% jute stick particle mixed bioplastic showed the best result, as it showed the highest tear and tensile strength value, that was 29.37 millimeter into meter square per gram, and 56.32 megapascal, and it took 6 weeks to degrade 100%. So different type of starch-based agricultural residues can be used to produce starch-based bioplastic like banana, peel, cassava, and thank you for your attention.